Hi, I am the 3D printing lawyer. I never showed you all the phone holder after it printed. I did not make a time lapse because I needed it in a hurry, so I just went ahead and printed it without setting up my camera. It does fit the phone. This is actually not my phone because I'm using my phone to record, but my friend has the same phone. It's a little loose here because I have a phone cover on mine, which my friend probably should because I noticed that they've damaged their phone. So it worked pretty good for recording the chickens for about 3 weeks. And then once I went in there, they had taken the phone out of the holder. It was laying flat like this, and they were walking on it. So I haven't stuck my phone in there since. But it also was a time to switch up options anyway because the chickens were getting taller. So at this height, we were only getting their legs, weren't getting the rest of their body. So it was probably time for me to hang the phone on the inside of the brooder from the wall. If I was going to keep using this one, I'd probably have to adapt it some way to stop the phone from coming out as easily when it's attacked by chickens. That's my video for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.